Tata-backed startup MedTherapy has made a breakthrough in CAR T cell therapies. Those who don't know, CAR T cell therapies are one of the most expensive cancer treatment in the world. They have developed such a technology which could nearly reduce the cost to 70% and also reduce the pipeline to manufacture it, which now takes around 3 to 8 weeks to manufacture, but they will be able to manufacture in nearly 1 day, which is really amazing. And this is one of the fastest in the world. Basically, they have genetically modified the white blood cells to fight with the cancer cells. And clinical trials of this has already been conducted in US, which is demonstrated as one of the safest trials and producing very good results. Now, for India, trials are soon to begin. And the best part is this medicine or therapy could be manufactured in just 1 day. CAR T cell therapies are made in the CMDO facility owned by MedTherapy, which is in Noida, which is India's first gene-based manufacturing hub, which can manufacture around 5,000 such therapies in a year. And they are now planning to expand it. They are in talk with Uttar Pradesh government and they want land for it so they can expand it to around 50,000 to 1 lakh patient annually and also significantly reducing the cost. CMDO facilities has already all the certification needed in India or globally to function it properly. Now MedTherapy is aiming to alter this cost structure and make it the lowest in the world. For now, in US, CAR T cell technologies total cost comes around to be $1 million, which is 9.5 crores for one patient. And yes, there are other technologies also in India like Next Car 19, developed by IIT Bombay and Tata Memorial Hospital, and Quartami by Immunities Therapist, owned by Biocon founders, which can bring the cost to about 40 to 50 lakh, which is also fraction in the Western markets.